Hello, traders, and welcome to PL Capital's Market Review. Today is Monday, December 12th. It's 5 p.m. Central Time, and we are T minus 14 hours from the CPI reading coming out tomorrow at 7:30 Central. So hang on to your hats. It's going to be a wild ride tomorrow and Wednesday. Today, the markets have thrown me a curveball here. So looking at the US dollar index, I was really expecting prices to be moving down today, but the US dollar went up. And the market, the S&P, Nasdaq, they also all went up. So this is really confusing me when I look at this. So I thought this was WXY heading up. But what they did today, so it definitely looks like we've got three waves down. And then today they made this leading diagonal up here. They came down in three waves, and then they went back up and just barely broke it. So we've got 1, 2, 3. So now we got three down and we got three up. And with that three up, it really, to me now, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, instead of WXY, I'm wondering if this isn't a leading diagonal. So that'd be like the A wave. This was the B, and then are they creating like an ending diagonal to go up for the C wave? I don't know that, but that wouldn't make much sense because if CPI comes out tomorrow and it's bullish like I expected, I mean the dollar is going to sink like a rock. You know, the market's going to go up in a rocket and the dollar will sink. So what are they doing? So I'm wondering if CPI is not going to be bullish or it's just going to be kind of neutral and the market's not going to know what to do and we're just going to hover in this area. So two key levels to watch are this 105.249 and 104.48. You know, if one of these gets taken out, then the direction looks set because we got three down and we got three up. So if they take this level out, then it'll look like this was 1, 2, 3 for one, and you know now they're correcting down for two, and then they come up, you know, and then we're probably going up for 3, 4, and 5, and that would give us like the C wave. If they come and break this low down here, then it looks like we've got three down for one, three up for two, and then we'll come down for 3, 4, and 5 to end this fifth wave down here. So can't make a call. We're right in the middle. Not until one of those two levels get taken out will we have clarity on what this whole thing is. And then if we look at the S&P, you know, big up day, you know, especially late in the afternoon, 1 o'clock, it just took off. I was expecting them to hang out more, you know, and down in this range so that tomorrow when CPI comes out, boom, you know, it's just going to go up like a rocket. But because we went up so much today, this has got me confused. I mean, you know, if we're up here tomorrow morning, I mean, we're taking out this high if it's a bullish number. So I'm wondering if this, what I have labeled as an ABC, if that is an ABC for W. Now they, on the S&P, they do have three waves down. So jobs report came out, corrected, and then we did take it out late last night, take out the low. So we do have three, you know, so we got three up, that could be W, and then we have three down, and this could be X, and now they're going up for the Y wave. But then that means that we're probably coming down and breaking this low, and it would have to happen like probably tomorrow, you know. So it almost, you know, when I look at the dollar and compare it with the S&P, I'm wondering if they know something. CPI is not going to be as bullish as everyone thinks. I don't know, too hard to tell them. But then look at the Nasdaq. They didn't take out this low. So jobs report, jobs report, PPI. Sorry, I think I said maybe jobs report on the ES. PPI was Friday. So PPI came out and the Nasdaq shot down, corrected up, but they didn't take out that low. So I have a WXY going up. So I was thinking like, they would, they came down one, two, and then if they break it, oops, that would be your Y wave, WXY, Y wave, X wave, and then tomorrow CPI comes out bullish, boom, they shoot up here, and that's your Z wave, and then that's all the correction, and then we can come back down. But they haven't taken that out, and I don't know, that doesn't look like, well, it could be, but it doesn't look like that'd be a big X wave. I mean, if this is all like, that's one wave, two wave, and then they have to come all the way down here, and then CPI, but I don't see them coming down that far between now and tomorrow at 7:30. So right now, I can't make a call as to what they're doing. I'm actually starting to now lean that CPI might not be as bullish. Like this might be all the correction maybe. Maybe we stall here and then CPI comes out and boom, we're down here. And this was a correction and we're heading down for some kind of an impulse. So be very cautious. It's hard to make a call right now on these markets. Let's look at oil. So as I was saying, I see oil had made this 5 waves down. Now we need to correct. Actually, if we look, I mean, we got this 5 waves correction and then another 5. So I think this is one down here of a leading diagonal, and they're coming up into this range for 2. And we had a big pump early today. So, this could be 3 waves right here. So like that could be like the A wave, and then they're going to come down for a B wave, and then come up into this. Who knows? Some type of correction, and I expect a reaction in this 75 to 79 range, and then we start heading down for 3, 4, and 5. Natural gas had a huge gap up last night. So that huge gap, it changes my count. So I thought that this was all a leading diagonal. Let me draw that. I thought this was all a leading diagonal here, and then that was a correction, and then we were making another diagonal, but this gap up was too strong. So now this to me is, they extended this 5th wave. So now this is all one wave. This is your impulse up. And so now look for a reaction. We came down into this box 6644 to 6398, so 64, let's say. If we get a reaction and we start pushing up, then they're probably making, this is going to be a leading diagonal. So this will be like the A, the B, and then the C will finish somewhere here, and that'll all be one of a leading diagonal, and then we'll get 3 wave correction. If they break this 6-4, they kind of come in down here somewhere, then this is all your first wave correction down for 2, and then expect 3, 4, and 5 going up. So keep an eye on this 6-4 level. If it breaks, then it'll probably be a little deeper pullback. If that holds, I'm looking for them to come up and just break this 705 level, and then probably start creating a 3 waves for the second leg. And we'll take a look at gold. So as I was thinking, I thought this was pretty sharp, and like they probably need to make a correction another leg up for the B wave and maybe come down for the C before, if they're gonna come up. And sure enough, that's what gold's been doing today, just kind of selling off. So keep an eye on once this low gets taken out, because then that could be all the correct, yeah, come on, that could be your ABC and heading up. And silver, pretty much same thing. Now they did come early this morning and take out the previous low, so we do have a 3-wave, and now they're starting to come up. So this one looks more promising, that they're going to come and take out this top here, 23.67. I'm still looking for like 23.84 level is where there could be a reversal on silver. So keep an eye on that level. Okay, that's what I've got. So be ready for tomorrow morning. It's going to be fast and furious. Good luck to you all. Be safe. Talk to you guys later. Bye.